This is Ron back here with you, Ron's Drone Tech and Camera channel, and today I have another video about the DJI Mavic Air 2, but it's a little bit of an unusual video. I'm going to tell you a little tale of woe and how part of the Mavic Air 2 fly more kit saved my bacon during a recent blackout down here at the Jersey Shore. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay folks, about a couple weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago now, back in July, end of July, we had a tropical storm hit the Jersey Shore here, and it knocked out our power for 37 consecutive hours. So, you know, we had no internet of any kind to even to power up our devices, such as our iPhones and our iPads, which still kind of worked because they could get their cellular, their cellular signal and still work. But the problem was keeping them charged here. So what I want to do is show you a device here. This came with the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More kit. And what it is here, it's it hooks up to a battery. This is the Mavic Air 2 battery, and it has this charging port on the bottom. So this has, hope you can see this. Get focus. There you can see the connectors. This, connects to the bottom of the battery, the DJI battery here. And you see, there we go. So that's how it fits on like that. And why you want to do that is you have two USB ports here that I can never get those focused in right there. Right here. You can see them now. So it's two standard USB-A ports here. I'll try to get as close to the camera and still focus. There you go. You see them real good now. So you got the two ports down there. So what you can do is you can hook, I have Apple devices. I'm going to point the camera down so you can see what I'm doing on the desktop. So stay right there. As I was telling you, you put the little adapter here, I guess you would call that adapter, on the bottom of the battery. And you have two USB-A ports. So I have Apple devices here. So I would plug my device in as such. You're kind of going a little stiff, probably because they weren't used much. So you can use two different devices if you would like. So I got two Apple style USB-A to Lightning connectors here. So as you can see here, I have a iPad. I've got so much cord here. How about that? You get tangled in just seconds here. So let's hook this iPad mini up here. Everybody's favorite way to fly a drone with the bigger tablet screen. Okay, so now we have our devices plugged in. So now you want to, start your battery up in your typical DJI style. So short press and long press. Okay, so now the battery is booting up here. You see this battery's been used, a little low here. Of course, this in the event of a blackout, you would like a nice full battery here. But okay. So now we're going to start up my iPhone here, and let's see here. And as you can see, the green light in this corner over here, you can see that it's charging by the green icon up there in the corner. You can see that hopefully on the screen here. You can see it is charging right now. Of course, it's starting to go already. Didn't mean to hit eBay there. But you can see that green charging symbol. So that's charging. And we have our iPad mini here. Let's get it up here. Let's unlock it with the old finger thing here. And as you can see here, the iPad mini, again, in that top corner there, you can see that you can see that it's green up there, so it means it's charging the battery. So we are getting both devices charged up even during a power outage here. with no available electricity coming for a long while. So this may not be the recommended method of charging your devices. This may, put an extra cycle on your batteries, or somehow, make the air batteries somehow lose a little battery charge or life in the overall life expectancy of the battery. But in emergency situations, things, you have to do what you have to do type of scenario. I know you're going to say, well, have those, those other battery packs around, but unfortunately, I could not find any of my standard battery backup devices, so I had to make do with what I had. So this is just a, just a kind of a Mavic Air 2 hack here. You can, pull double duty on your batteries in case of a blackout. So I won't make this video too long because there's not a whole lot to show here, as long as you know how to attach this to your battery, how to start your battery up and how to plug the your USB A's into the back of it. You are good to go. All right, I hope you like this video concerning the how to make your Mavic Air 2 battery do double duty as a phone and tablet charger during a big blackout where you have no power and you cannot find any of your other USB chargers because it's dark out. And again, this is a kind of a good hack here or whatever, but so just remember this if it ever happens to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got anything out of it, please leave that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more drone tech and camera content, and hit the ring notification bell, and we will see you on the next one, folks.